Welcome to the GCSE Maths Advantage. I'm Dr. James Carter, and every episode I'm going to break down one topic, show you where the marks are, and give you a quick win you can use in your next exam. Quick fact to start on last year's AQA higher paper, a single tiny slip cancelling a factor without checking the domain cost students more combined marks than any single hard question. Sound familiar? Oh yes, that's me. I remember cancelling and getting penalised. Felt awful because I knew the method but lost the mark to a simple oversight. That's exactly why today's episode matters. I'm going to teach a 5-check routine you can run through in about 30 seconds. I'll name them first, then unpack each. 1. Substitute back. 2. Quick estimation. 3. Units and bounds. 4. Sign and limit checks. 5. Special case testing. This is the single most powerful check. After you find an answer, pop it straight into the original equation. If the left-hand side equals the right-hand side, you usually keep the mark. It takes 10 seconds and catches algebraic slip-ups and extraneous roots. So even if I use the quadratic formula, I should still plug the root back in. Substitute x equals 3 into original equation. LHS equals RHS equals. That can win you method marks even if arithmetic slips. Look at the size of your answer. Does it roughly match what you expect? Example, if a length comes out as 10,000 m in a triangle problem where other sides are single digits, something's wrong. Try this. For quadratics, use sum and product. From x squared plus bx plus c equals 0, the sum of roots is minus b over a and product is c over a. If the question involves length, probability, or degrees, make sure the unit and range make sense. Probabilities must sit between 0 and 1. Angles on a triangle must be between 0 and 180. For algebraic expressions, check the sign in extreme cases. Pick a big X or x equals 0 and see if the expression behaves as you expect. Signs flip can reveal lost negative signs or incorrect factorization. Plug in a simple value like x equals 0, x equals 1 or x equals -1 into both sides if possible. If the identity fails on a special case, something went wrong in simplification. This is especially useful when you cancel factors. Test the cancelled value explicitly. Solve 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. It's a typical higher tier quadratic worth 5 or 6 marks. Write the formula clearly. X equals 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 24 over 4. I write the discriminant as 49 minus 24 equals 25. That gives x equals 7 plus or minus 5 over 4. So the roots are x equals 3 and x equals a half. Substitute back for x equals 3. 2 into 9 minus 7 into 3 plus 3 equals 18 minus 21 plus 3 equals 0. So it checks for x equals a half. Also checks. Sum should be 7 over 2 which is 3.5. Our roots 3 and 0.5 add to 3.5. Product should be 3 over 2 which is 1.5. Both match. Good sanity check. Check for sign and limit check. As x grows large, the 2x squared term dominates and the quadratic is positive. Our roots satisfy the expected sign changes in the function values around them. Check 5 special case testing. For this equation there's no cancellation, but habitually trying x equals 0 or x equals 1 on the original equation helps catch hidden errors. How marks are awarded for this 6-mark style quadratic? You typically see M1 for writing the formula or method, M1 for correct discriminant setup, M1 for simplifying the square root, M1 for forming the two roots, and A1 for each correct root. Instead of a soft mental check, write substitute x equals 3 LHS equals 18 minus 21 plus 3 equals 0 on the answer line. Memorize this and use it on every answer. 1. Substitute back 10 seconds. 2. Sum product quick estimation for quadratics or order of magnitude for others 10 seconds. 3. Units bounds or sign check 10 seconds. Practice routine. Take 5 past paper questions. Solve under timed conditions. Then spend 30 seconds per answer running the 3-point check. Do this 3 times a week. Time yourself and reduce the solve time so you always leave 30 seconds to check. Prioritize the 3 fastest checks in exams. You can add the full 5 when you have extra time. A final reminder, checks are a safety net, not a replacement for showing clear method. Write down steps. Examiners award method marks for clear working, even if the final answer is off by a slip. If you want a downloadable free 11-page PDF and 50 worked solutions that align with this routine, visit workbook.jcacademyline.co.uk and grab the pack. That's your quick win for today. If this helped, share it with a friend who's revising. You'll find more worked solutions and revision resources at jcacademyline.co.uk. Until next time, trust the process and nail that exam. Stay curious.